we just stay moving, we should be good though. Oh, no, no. Coming down. Of course, the one cloud is the direction I'm going. Oh, not ideal at all. Not ideal, man. Not ideal. Just a little bit of turbulence. All right, guys, it is now sunny. We're out here. No place I'd rather be right now. This is gonna be super sick. Gotta look at every corner. You gotta treat every corner like it's a stop sign, dude, out here. This is no man's land. Got here pretty late. There's only like an hour and a half, 2 hours till sunset, so. Hour late, bro, or hour and a half late at this point.
I think you are. 12 hour late this time. What I mean, how's it going?
Oh, my butt hurts, bro.
All right, guys, we had the club out with Nico. Finally made it out here. Oh, here we go. Oh. Oh my gosh. There you go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, no, no! No! Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh! Oh! The sweeper! Woo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Isn't that insane?
That's insane! Let's go! That was so sick! Oh!
I want to give Kevin a ride.
Dude, it's like flying!
Right?
That's nuts! Yo, that was different. I've never experienced
Isn't it? It feels like Temple Run out here, right?
Dude, literally.
Kevin, you want to go for a rip? Yeah?
Hey, Nico, do you want me to stand somewhere?
This thing might have no horsepower, but it f***ing goes.
I was like trying to keep up, and then like I clutch kicked it right here, and I just went straight into the bushes.
Oh shit!
But actually, yeah.
Hey, at least it didn't get stuck.
I went to the bushes, and I just stopped here to see like
Nico,
what
how do I
happens. This thing sounds like a race car inside.
Yeah?
It's like
Nothing.
there's nothing, like no insulation, no anything. That's so sick.
Tires are out, you hear them?
Yeah,
Gotta go pick up Alex.
Oh my god. That's insane. Going behind you, it's more scary following you like that.
Right? You're like, oh god.
But I'm like, I'm here and I just feel safe.
Right?
It's
You're
not
just
that
like
bad. That's crazy.
Whoa! Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh! Hey yo! Woo! This thing's nuts. Woo! Woo!
Oh, those are so fun.
I know.
It's so
It's so grippy though.
Last time I was here, I had an open diff.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Oh, it feels so much better.
That was fire. Let's go, Kevin. Sending it. Yes, sir, baby. That's fire. Woo! What a good car, man. This thing's fast.
oh shit. It's a fucking send venture, bro.
Hey bro, honestly, you gotta help me take this thing off the trailer. Cause
All
it
right.
took us like 2 hours to even do this, to be honest.
Really?
I don't even know how to do this.
Dude, this thing's nuts.
Dude. Yo. Bro, just fucking do a burnout off of it.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Let's get it, Nico.
You got it? That's legendary. Well, actually, we could get a stick. We just need a stick.
Let's get a piece of this wood.
Nico's getting it.
Again? One more time. I hit the. See if you can roll down the window. It's on the door.
On ACC, right?
That's fine. See if you can roll down the window.
Freaking winged it here.
I
That's
understand, but just for a video,
with
you
this
can't-
truck
just to start it.
and-
All day to get this.
Man's trying to show off right here.
Fuck. My back's about to break.
Uh-oh.
You're good.
That thing's loud.
On limiter, it's ridiculous.
Thing around so I can.
Yeah, you're gonna want to warm up the diff and shit too, bro. Don't try and link the whole thing. Just do like corner by corner while you get used to it.
Thank you. Okay, I won't. All right, thank you. Never been here before, and this place is really tight. You guys can see. Let's get it, guys. I'm hype. Okay, so we had a good going, so I gotta figure out how to link that a little bit better. Ooh, that was not good. So I need to get higher up in the RPMs right there, or even first gear right there, and slam into second. Full floor there. Oh my gosh, that's definitely a lot of fun.
Hell yeah.
Let's go!
Thing sounds nasty, doesn't it?
Oh. Woo. Oh. Get it.
You just shut this car off, I think.
Oh, yeah. High horsepower stuff.
I know, right?
Yeah,
It's the issue with high horsepower, man.
literally.
They're great when they work.
But that water, as I go in it, because everything's exposed there and it's cutting the circuit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's that one when we spraying out. So I can do everything with you. It's just when that long line, I'll stop.
Okay.
Because it keeps hitting the water and it just blocks.
Okay. Sorry about your face, bro. That trees.
Fire!
We're just mowing the lawn.
It's boggy real quick. I'm trying to figure out.
Okay, it's all good. You think it's old gas?
We just put new gas on.
Oh, you put new gas in it?
Maybe I'll drive around a little bit.
Yeah, do a lap maybe and get it to get it to circulate a little bit.
Oh shit! Oh no! We're vibing, but oh my gosh. Nico, that was insane. I got that on video. Part of the game, part of the game.
I hope my car is gonna make it home now.
I know.
How bad is it? How bad is it?
Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Brother.
Probably should have felt it out a little bit more with him.
Max.
Oh, we're good.
It's fine.
I mean, my control arm's
body line. It's a little.
my control arm's.
Oh my gosh, yeah. That was the massive.
I'm gonna have to like bend it back maybe or something. PDR this thing.
There you go, it's coming. There you go. Oh, there you go. Little forward. Little forward.
Huh?
Forward more. Yeah. It's not coming. You pop this out though, right here.
Yeah, it's just this is far away back over there. I can put like a ball in there and then put air in it and it goes.
That'll probably work.
Pop it out. See, the upper control arm is tweaked. Lower control arm looks fine though, so that's good because that's a lot cheaper than that one. And axle seems fine, so it seems like we're gonna be able to make it home, but I want to still drift. So body, I mean, we're never really caring about the body on this car. I've needed over fenders for this car for way too long now. And this
And there we go.
sir.
Throw this in the trunk or something.
Yeah, just let it hang out.
Yeah. There's Ari over there. Oh. Go check on them. He's still in there.
Welcome back. Probably gonna get a strap.
Oh, there's Ari. Oh
He's
no.
already walking over.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Damn.
Oh, poor car, dude.
It's not that bad though.
Yeah, not too terrible, but oh, still sucks.
Yo, we'll get you the strap. Huh?
Hey, just pull me out.
How bad is it?
It's barely out. It's just getting caught on mud. One
Okay.
wheel.
Do you have a tow hook? Oh, we'll just do it around the roll cage.
Yeah,
Fuck
roll
it.
cage. Just
Okay.
Savage.
There.
One of those.
Well, we just got recruited for another side quest.
328 tow rig.
This isn't a lot of driving, bro. I wanted more driving.
I know, man. Thankfully, Nico is doing this for me because I'm scared. I don't want to tow.
I think
So
your
let's go.
subframe's reinforced.
Oh, good thing. From this guy right here, all your subframe needs. Ooh, I think it looks sick at night, but yeah, let's get it.
Alright, go slow.
Little tow rig right here. Oh, it just snapped, Nico. It snapped. Uh-oh.